Stop spending hours building quizzes. Lumi Pro can do it in seconds. By the end of this video, you will be able to turn your content into a ready-to-use D2L quiz, with Lumi Pro doing the heavy lifting. Access your course, then select Quizzes on the nav bar. Click Question Library. Click Generate Questions. This tool can generate various types of questions from your course material you select. Let's select a specific page. I can change the number of questions I would like it to generate, as well as the question type, and also if I wanted it to include feedback. After making your choices, click Generate. Each question you generate with Lumi will require you to review before it can be added. Select the question. If the question is okay for your course, you can select Keep and Next below. In short, Lumi makes quiz creation faster and smarter. You can build large question banks, generate multiple formats from your own course content. Start using Lumi Pro for quiz questions today. Be sure to check out the other videos for Lumi Pro and Creator Plus.